Remember that in previous lessons we have created the canvas element? Then we created a variable with the name myCanvas. Using myCanvas variable, we can access and resize our canvas. But if we want to draw, we must create a method that provides all we need for drawing on the canvas. Imagine that it's like the paper we use for drawing. This method it is called getContext. So, let's open Visual Studio Code Editor and write code. Change line. Create a new variable with the name drawCanvas. Equals to myCanvas variable. This may confuse you, but it is simple. In order to access to the canvas and be able to draw, the new variable, drawCanvas, first must find our canvas. In the first variable, myCanvas we have done that. So now we can use the getContext method. Write .getContext. Open parenthesis and write 2D, within quotes. We use 2D to create a two-dimension game. Like retro arcade, two-dimension games. So, let's explain it better. First we create a variable, myCanvas, to search and find our canvas object, inside the HTML file. With that variable, we can access the properties of the canvas, so we can change its dimension. After we create another variable, with the name, drawCanvas. This variable, use myCanvas variable, to access canvas and use the getContext method, which contains all the properties and methods, to draw, like we do on a paper. In next lesson, we will draw the background of the game.